Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the next lecture of IIT-JEE Mains PYQ series. In this video lecture, I'll discuss some matrix questions of which came in 2023. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, what first question says, we have a matrix let A equals to 2 cross 2 matrix. Size of this matrix is 2 cross 2, 1, 1 upon 15, 0, 1. And we have a B matrix which is formed by the combination of three matrices, or we can say the product of three matrices in which A is also included. Okay, the sum of all the elements of the matrix summation n equal to 1 to 50 b raised to the power n is equal to, we need to tell 100, 75, 125 or 50. Okay, here you can observe that first of all we will discuss about what is A actually. What is the property of A? The property of A is 1, 1 upon 51, 0, 1. This is your A. If you want to find A square, and what is the need of finding A square, I'll tell you why we are doing like that. 1, 0, 1 upon 51, 1. And here we have 1, 1 upon 51, 0, 1. Row into column. So here 1 will come, here 0, here 1, and here you can observe this is which position is first row second column. This is 1 2 position, so first row second column, so it means that 1 upon 51 plus 1 upon 51, it means it is 1, 2 upon 51, 0, 1, like that we have. Okay, similarly we have for the A cube. In this manner, if we are finding, this is 3 upon 51, 0, 1. Okay, and up to so on, like that we can find. Okay, actually recall one thing. Recall what we need to recall, that if we have, suppose any P matrix we have, I am taking 1 A 0 1. This type of matrix is, if we are multiplying it n time, then here we have n into A 0 1. Okay, if we are multiplying n times, so here it is same as that property, it satisfies. Okay, now this is your A matrix. Now we have a B. What is B? B is 1 2. What is our B actually? Our B is bracket 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. This is your A, and here we have another one, minus 1 minus 2 1 1. Okay, and what we need to find actually, we need to find sum of, but first of all I need to find what the matrix, no, we need to find sum of all the elements of this matrix. What we get after result, after adding, after finding this complete summation. So what we have summation is I equals to 1 to 50. Okay, or not I, here we can put n equals to 1 to 50. And what we have actually, b raised to the power n. What the meaning of that? The meaning of that is, if b n value is 1, b, if n value is 2, b square, up to so on, b raised to the power 50 will come. Okay, so assume it is first equation. Now here b is same as that b, but what about the b square? What is b square? B square, this is first one, I'll assume like that. Okay, instead of that I'll assume star equation. Okay, this is I assume A first. Okay, what is b square? B square means 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. Here we have a A, here we have minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. This is your B. Now again another B and it write 1, 2, minus 1 because B into B na. B, what is the B square mean? B into B. So A into minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. So here we will apply associative law. So by applying associative law, what we have actually, you can observe here, A is as it is, and we need to multiply minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1, and here we have 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, here we will apply the associative law. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. After multiplying these both equation, we get identity. Okay, you can observe 1, 2, minus 1, A, here we have I and A, and here we have minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay, so at the end what we get resultant is 1, 2, minus 1, A square, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay, this is our B square. You can assume it is second equation. Okay, in this similar fashion, B raised to the power 50 if we are finding. Okay, what we have, B raised to the power 5 is 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, A raised to the power 50, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. This is your B raised to the power 50. Okay, so this is our 50th equation, like that. Okay, now we need to put all these things in the here in star. Okay, now put wait put all the values of B in B raised to the power n for all n equal to 1 to up to so on 50 in star equation. We have what we have actually, summation B raised to the power n 1 to 50. So 1, 2, minus 1, A, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. This is our B. What is our B square? 1, 2, minus 1, A square, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. I know it is quite lengthy, but you can do like that. I will search alter for it also. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, minus 1, A raised to the power 50, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Okay, now here what we can take, this first matrix is same. So how I can write, and this right side matrix is also same. So how I can write this thing, minus 1, okay, A plus A square up to so on A raised to the power 50, and here I will write right side matrix. Can I write like that? Of course we can write like that. It is like you have a 3 matrix P, Q, 1, R, plus P Q2 R, like that we have. Okay, in a shorter way I'll tell. Here I wrote, okay, how it actually work. So P you can take common, Q1 R plus Q2 R. Now what you can do here, R you can take common, or what we have inside, Q1 plus Q2 into R. By distributive law we will get here. Okay, now ultimately here we need a square up to so on, like that term we want. Okay, and that's why, because of this reason, here I find a square a cube, like that term. Okay, so actually what is the meaning of that one? First of all I will find this one. Okay, assume it is P matrix. Assume it is P matrix. What is P matrix actually? 1 1 upon 15 0 1 plus what is a square, 1 2 upon 15 0 1 up to so on 1 50 upon 51 0 1. If I am adding all these matrix, what we get? Here we get 50 0 50, here 1 upon 51 2 upon 51 and 50 upon 51. Okay, so what we get here? 50 0 50. See, LCM is same, 51, and numerator will be 1 up 1 2 3 50. Okay, so what we have here? 50 0 50, the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So here what we have? 50 51 upon 2, or denominator is 51 also. I hope you understand. Okay, as so here we have 50, by this 51 51 cancel, so here we get 25 0 50. So this is our P matrix. Okay, we can put this thing here in place of here. Okay, and after multiplying we will get the things. Okay, so what is summation B actually? N equals to B raised to the power n equals to 1 to 50. The matrix is at the end 1 2 minus 1 minus 1, and here we have 50 25 0 50, and here we have minus 1 minus 2 1 1. Now we can multiply simply. After multiplying, what we get here? Row into column. If you multiplying, I will apply distributive law here. So row into column, what we get? 50 here. Row into column, what we get? 25 plus 100. Row into column, minus 50. Okay, really minus 50 will come. Okay, and row into column, next one, what we have? Row into column, minus 25 minus 50. Okay, and here we have minus 1 minus 2 1 1. Okay, here you can observe, after solving this one we will get 75 25 minus 25 and 20. I'm not going in the calculation, deep of calculation. Okay, here main thing is I need to tell you how we can proceed in such type of equations, in such type of questions. Okay, this is one. If I do sum 25, 25, 50, or we can say it is actually 100. Sum of all the elements of summation n equal to 1 to 50 e raised to power n is 100. I hope you understand this question. If you have any doubt, then you can do comments. Okay, move on to the next question. Now see this one question. What this question says, here you can observe, let A is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, and they mention that Aij is non-zero for all I comma j. Okay, it means it is like that. I will tell you, it is A, B, C, D. Okay, and it is 2 cross 2 matrix. What they mention? A has to be non-zero, B has to be non-zero, C has to be non-zero, and D has to be non-zero. This is first property that you need. This property you need to satisfy. And the second one property is, the first property this one. Second property is A square has to be identity. This is the first property, and the second property is this one. A square equal to I. Okay. Now they are saying that A is the, okay, I we can't take A, no? Okay, wait. What we will do, because why they, because they define A is this one. So we can take P, Q, R, S. This is P, Q, R, S. Okay, all they have not given. Okay. Now after that they are saying let A be the sum of all the diagonal elements of A. That means from the given what we can write, A equals to P plus S. This is first equation. Okay. And B equals to determinant of A. And what about the B? B is determinant of A. Okay. Then they are asking that, the second one, they are asking that to find 3A square plus 4B square. Okay, what it actually? Okay. Now listen. A square equal to I came, na? Actually, we don't have anything. Okay. So here, how am we are proceeding? By this one, by these two. Okay. What we have actually, these two given. So by these two, I am proceeding. How I will proceed? First of all, we have A square equal to I, na? So P, Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S, 1 0 0 1. Okay, so row into column, I'll do row into column, P square plus RQ. Okay, next is PQ plus QS, PQ plus QS, and next one is RP plus SR. Okay, RP plus SR we have. Okay, now we have RQ plus S square, 1 0 0 1. Now if we are comparing the, because this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. If two matrices are equal, okay, then their corresponding entries has to be equal. It means that RP, I'll take what we have, SR equal to 0, and from here also we can take PQ plus QS equal to 0. Okay, so here you can observe that if I'm taking R outside, P plus S equal to 0. Why I'm doing this thing? I'll tell you, okay? See the reason here. From here also, P plus S, Q is outside. The product of two number is 0, so either one of them has to be 0, but we observe that from here, R will not be 0 because given. Is given or not? So it means that P plus S has to be 0. Okay, what is the meaning of P plus S has to be 0? A has to be 0. And from here also A has to be 0. Why so? Because Q has to be non-zero. Okay, it means that the diagonal element sum is 0. A is 0. Okay, so if A is 0, A square is 0. Okay, or not? Okay, if A square is 0, 3A square is also 0. So what we have actually, the expression is 3A square plus 4B square we need to find, which is 0 plus 4. And what the value of B? Value of B is determinant of A square. Okay. Now, one more thing I need to tell you. Here we given that A square equal to 1. If we am taking determinant both side, okay, we have this is 1 because determinant of I is 1. Okay. Now, as we know that, recall the property of the determinant and the in its integral power, a raised to the power k, determinant is determinant of a raised to the power k. So I am using this property here. What we get, determinant of a square is 1. So here I will apply 4 into 1, we get 4 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand this question. So the option is, the correct option is here 4. Okay, now if you have any doubt, then you can do comments. I will reply there definitely. We are moving to the third question. That is a equals to 1 by 2, 1 root 3 minus root 3 1 then. Okay. So here we have this is 2 cross 2 matrix actually. Okay, and they actually, our task is to find the expression of 8 raised to power 30, 8 raised to power 25. We need to evaluate and then we will check which option is true. Okay. So here you can observe that okay, here we can observe that we have a 1 by 2, 1 root 3 minus root 3 1, and um, we need to find a raised to power 30, a raised to power 25, a raised to power 2y. Okay, move on to the next one.